Hi children, here comes your first lesson. Attitude is altitude. Okay, this is the first unit, first lesson children. Already I said you the theme of your first lesson is personality development. Under this it is the first lesson. Attitude means your behavior children. Whenever you see something or somebody, okay, what do you feel or think about that situation shows your behavior, and that is nothing but your attitude. And here altitude means height children. Actually, whenever it is compared with your behavior, it shows your rank. If your behavior is very good, you will be successful and you will be in a good position. Okay, you will be reached in the highest rank anamata. Okay, there your behavior shows your attitude. Okay, that is nothing but attitude is altitude. Okay, imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help you scratch that itch, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Okay, imagine that if you don't have arms, then how do you feel? Okay, in order to do your daily activities, you will be very depressed and you will be very sad if you don't have your arms. Okay, and what are the things you will do here? He mentioned some examples. If you don't have arms, these things you can't do. Okay, he is explaining to stretch in the morning. Okay, to be straight, you will be stretching your hands when you got up from your bed. And when you feel like itching in any part of your body, if you want to scratch, if you don't have your fingers, then if you are in sad or happy mood, you want to hug your loved ones like your mother. Okay, if you don't have arms at that such moment, then how do you feel? Okay, we feel very bad. Okay, and imagine having no legs to kick the pebbles down the street, to walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard, or get you from point A to point B. Okay, if you along with that, if you don't have legs, okay, arms also not there, now legs also. If you imagine that if you don't have legs, then how do you feel? Okay, daily activities will become very burden and very irritable and very depressed. Okay, you feel like that, isn't it or not? Everybody will be walking, jumping, okay, they are cycling. By seeing them, you will be get into a depression mode. Okay, isn't it or not? Okay, here skateboard means children, a board is there where you will do skating on the road where the two wheels are attached to the end of the board. Okay, that is called a skateboard children. And in order to move from one place to another place, you need a legs. Okay now children. Okay, then imagine both at once. Both at once means what here? If you don't have both, means legs is not there and also a arms is also not there, then how do you feel? Okay, here comes one man who doesn't have both the legs and arms. Here is the complete story about him, how he got success, how he reached the pinnacle of the success without arms and legs through his dedication, determination, hard work and all. Okay, his name is Nick Vujicic. Okay, has faced the whole life మొత్తంలో తనకి అసలు ఆర్మ్స్ లెగ్స్ లేకుండానే తన టోటల్ లైఫ్ ఎలా గడిపాడు, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సీ ఇన్ దిస్ లెసన్. ఓకే, హ్యావ్ యూ హర్డ్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ బిఫోర్? ఎప్పుడైనా ఇంత ముందుకు మీరు చూసారా? అంటే ఇన్ సొసైటీ డిడ్ యూ ఎవర్ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్? ఓకే, నిక్ విజిక్స్ వర్ బర్న్ విత్ నో ఆర్మ్స్ అండ్ లెగ్స్, బట్ హీ డజంట్ లెట్ ద డీటెయిల్స్ స్టాప్ హిమ్. ఓకే, దిస్ మ్యాన్ వాజ్ బర్న్ విత్ నో లెగ్స్ అండ్ arms, it seems children, and even though he doesn't have his legs, his success, in order to reach the success, nobody has stopped him. Okay, details means what? Arms and legs. Even though he doesn't have details means arms and legs, nobody has stopped him to reach his success. Okay, the brave 26 years old who is mainly a trosso. Trosso means the person who doesn't have arms and legs, only upper part of the body is visible. Okay, this man plays football and golf, swims and surfs despite having no limbs. Despite means what? Even though. Okay, even though he doesn't have legs and arms, he used to play football, it seems, golf game. Golf means you already know, a small ball will be there and it has to be tucked in your hand, and the ball should be got into the hole. Okay, that is the game. And swimming you already know. Surfing means the skating on the above the sea water. Okay, that is called surfing, children. Okay, Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him balance and enables him to kick. Okay, here you can see on the left hip you can see one toe which is attached to his left hip and which helps him to balance, and he can also kick anything with his toe, and uses his one foot to type, write with a pen and pick things up between his toes. Okay, with the help of these toes he used to type, it seems, and he used to hold the pen, and he also pick up the things whatever is in front of him with the help of these toes. Okay, I call it my chicken drumstick. Okay, nickname is given to his toe. He is called as chicken drumstick అని ముద్దుగా పిలుచుకుంటాడు అనమాట, జోక్డ్ నిక్. ఓకే, ఒక ఫన్నీగా చెప్తున్నాడు. ఓకే, హూ వాజ్ బోర్న్ ఇన్ మెల్బోర్న్, ఆస్ట్రేలియా. ఓకే, వేర్ హీ వాజ్ బోర్న్ ఇన్ మెల్బోర్న్. Okay, it was a city which was situated in Australia, but now he lives in Los Angeles, that is in America. I had been lost without it. I had be lost ante enti, if he doesn't have this foot, and he will be nothing else to do without it seems. That's why he is saying. Okay, due to this faith, as an evangelical Christian, Nick has chosen to remain virgin until marriage. Okay, he follows strict religion rules, it seems, children. Okay, until he get married he doesn't have any girlfriends. Okay, he is very modest, but he gets marriage proposals from women all the time, said Nick's friend and public Steve Apple from Los Angeles. Okay, he is very modest, means he is very shy. Okay, he is sensitive and he never talks with others, but even though he is very shy, most of the women come to him and they will say that they will marry him. But who is saying this? Okay, Nick's friends, and publicist means the person who write generals. Generals means newspaper editing. Okay, like nothing but generalist. Okay, his name is Steve Apple. These both together they were saying that about Nick. Okay, even though he was very shy, he will get many marriage proposals from many women. Okay, he would love to get married and start a family, but he is waiting for the right girl to come along. Okay, he also wanted to marry like his friends, and he also wanted to start family, but he is waiting for a right girl, means he is actually a troso. The woman who is coming into his life should understand everything about him, isn't it or not? That's why he was waiting for a right girl to come along. Okay, water sports aren't Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club. Club is nothing but a stick, children, which is used to play the golf game, and he is not only good in water sports but also plays a golf game, it seems, golf game. And it is, I already said, tucked under his chin, and he is a huge fan of English Premier League. Okay, and golf game if you want to play, you need a stick to be tucked, okay, to catch in the hands, but he doesn't have arms na. Then that stick is tucked means ante ఇక్కడ అటాచ్ చేసుకుంటాడు, ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో అటాచ్ చేసుకొని he used to play the game of a golf game. Okay, now he is a huge fan of English Premier League. English Premier League means a football competition, children. A football playing like cricket team will be there, IPL. Okay, there is also a football game will be there. Okay, he is a big fan of football game. Okay, his parents decided not to send him to a special school. A decision he said was very hard for him, but which may have been the best decision that could have made for him. Okay, what happened here? His parents decided not to send him a special school. Special school means what? The person who are disabled, okay, they have special schools, children, but the parents are decided, okay, not to send him to the special schools, ante aa schools ki memu pampinchamu. Okay, my kid should be learn and write along with the normal children అని చెప్పేసి they decided to go to the normal schools only, study along with the other children, how they will write and how they will learn. Okay, but he felt that decision is very hard for him. Why? Because his parents has chosen normal schools, because every child will be with full of active and full of energetic, they can move here and there, but he can't do all these things now. That's why this decision of his parents made him very hard to digest, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. Okay, after that he came to realize that it is the best decision what his parents has taken about him. Okay, when Nick was born, his father was so shocked that he felt the hospital room to vomit. What happened? Okay, when Nick was born, how he was actually a trozo with no arms and legs. Okay, when his father saw him, he was so shocked and he left the hospital room and he went out and he vomited outside, it seems. Okay, his distraught mother couldn't bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. Okay, distraught means very sad and upset mother, and she was very anxious. Every mother, okay, whenever she gave birth to a baby, she was very eager to take the baby in the hands, but this based upon the Nick's disability, her mother is so much upset and she can't bring up into her hands. Why? Because he can't be hold in the hands, isn't it or not? Okay, till she waited till 4 months, it seems, to get into her hands. Okay, his disability came without any medical explanation. Nobody can explain what is the reason behind why this man has born in this manner. Okay, a rare occurrence called phocomelia. Phocomelia is a birth disease, children. By birth it will come, where there is a disability of an organs. Okay, and Nick and his parents spent many years asking why this cruel trick would happen to him. Okay, his parents go on meeting with the doctors and asking what is the reason behind this, is there any solution for his son. Okay, they are going on asking why it happened for his family and for him. Okay, for the Nick, my mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy, but she still blamed herself, he said. Okay, actually his mother is a nurse. Okay, if you already know, nurse knows everything what she has to do when they are pregnant. Okay, his mother also did everything what is needed, and every month what she has to take in the diet, she followed everything, but she has come with this type of baby na. That's why she is blaming herself. Means blaming ante tanu తిట్టుకుంటుందన్నమాట. అయ్యో నేనేం పాపం చేశాను అన్నట్టుగా she used to feel like that. Okay, he said all these dialogues, how the mother feels, how his father felt when he was born. Okay, it was so hard for them, but right from the start they did their best to make me independent. Okay, every parents what they feel, it will be when they will be not happy, no, if the son is like that, nobody will be happy. Okay, they felt very hard, means so బాధ పడుతూనే ఉండుకుంటూ they got up with the right decisions and the right equipment they used and right techniques they used to bring Nick to the independent life. తనకు తానే అన్ని పనులు చేసుకునే విధంగా they trained him. Okay, my dad put me in the water at 18 months and gave me the courage to learn how to swim. Okay, in the month of 18 months only. Okay, what his father did, okay, his father threw Nick into the water to make him to swim independently. Okay, I also got really into football and skateboarding. I totally love the English Premier League. Okay, what I told you before, he is not only good in water sports, he is good at football, he is good at skateboarding. Okay, he is a good lover of an football Premier League, it seems. Okay, Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant, and taught his little son how to type with his toe at the age of 6 years old. Okay, Nick's father is actually belongs to a profession of computer programmer children. He is an accountant. Okay, whenever he got an idea about his son to type on the computer, then he started his son to teach how to type with his toe when he was 6 years only. Okay, his mom invented a special device that meant he could hold a pen and a pencil. Okay, what his mom did, his mom invented a special plastic device, it seems, which by that he can hold a pen or a pencil. Okay, despite the risk of being bullied, his parents insisted Nick on attending mainstream school. Okay, despite, even though there is a risk of being bullied, humiliation అంటే ఏంటి, ఎగతాళి చేస్తూనే ఉంటారు. ఈవెన్ దో నో ప్రాబ్లం, నథింగ్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ హ్యూమిలియేటింగ్ యూ. పేరెంట్స్ ఇన్సిస్టెడ్ అంటే కంపల్సరీగా మీరు నువ్వు వెళ్ళాలి. ఓకే, పేరెంట్స్ సెడ్ నీకు కంపల్సరీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అటెండ్ ద మెయిన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్కూల్. మెయిన్ స్ట్రీమ్ అంటే నార్మల్ స్కూల్స్కే వెళ్ళాలి, నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ గోయింగ్ టు ద స్పెషల్ స్కూల్ ఈవెన్ దో యు ఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ బులైడ్ అంటే హ్యూమిలియేషన్. ఓకే, ఎవరైనా నిన్ను ఎగతాళి చేసినా పర్లేదు, యూ గో ఆన్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఇన్ దట్ సేమ్ స్కూల్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. ఓకే, ఇట్ వాస్ ద బెస్ట్ డెసిషన్ దే కుడ్ హ్యావ్ మేడ్ ఫర్ మీ. ఓకే, అంతకంటే మంచి డెసిషన్ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ ఇంకా తన లైఫ్లో ఎప్పుడు తీసుకోలేదంట, అంత మంచి డెసిషన్ అంట. అంటే ఏంటి, ఓకే, వెన్ హీ వాజ్ గివింగ్ కాంపిటేటివ్ విత్ నార్మల్ చిల్డ్రన్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఈ కమ్ టు నో హౌ ఈ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇన్ బెటర్ వే. Okay, how he can learn the techniques, how to go further in the life. Okay, this made his parents made the best decision of dropping him in the main school, it seems. Okay, Nick said, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. Okay, later on what he achieved, okay, he is achieved a degree in financial planning, means accounts, and in also a real estate. Okay, it was very hard but it gave me independence, he said. Okay, it is very hard means it is very tough to learn, but even though he learned and he became the independence, he is not depending on others now. Okay, Nick, who was teased and bullied, has an electric wheelchair for mobility and a term of carers to help him. Okay, here you can see. Okay, Nick, who was teased and bullied. Teasing అంటే తెలుసు కదా, ఎగతాళి చేస్తూ ఉండడము. బులైడ్ అంటే కంప్లైనింగ్ ఇవ్వడము. ఓకే, ఇలాంటివి చేస్తూ ఉండేవాళ్ళు అనమాట. ఈవెన్ దో హీ హ్యాస్ దిస్ టూ థింగ్స్, హీ హ్యాడ్ వాట్ ఏ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ చైర్ ఇస్ దేర్ విచ్ ఈజ్ యూస్డ్ ఫర్ మూవింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ టు దేర్. అలాంగ్ విత్ దట్ హీ హ్యాస్ సమ్ కేర్ టేకర్స్ టు హెల్ప్ హిమ్. Okay, I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old, he said. Okay, what he was saying, he went into a depression, he became very sad, it seems, in the age of 8 years. Okay, I went to my mom crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. Chusara enta baadpaddaro. Okay, see here, he went to his mom, it seems, crying, and he said to his mom only that he want to kill himself, it seems. Okay, something, I think so, somebody is humiliated or teased or something he can't do like other children, that's the reason he went into the depression, I think so. Okay, I felt cold and bitter, I hated God. చాలా బాధ అనిపించిందంట. Okay, I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents weren't there to look after me. Okay, he hated God and he was so much worried and feared if their parents are not going to take care of me, how my life would be, all these things he feared the situation. Okay, the situation made him fear a lot. Okay, he was very thankful for his parents. Why? Because if the parents were not there for him to look after, then where he has to be now? Okay, nobody will be take care of him. Okay, I could brush my own teeth with a wall mounted brush and wash my own hair with a pump action soap, but there was so much that was impossible for me. Okay, now see here, when everyday activities are very familiar for everybody. Okay, like brushing your teeth, bathing, everything. Okay, he also will do his brushing of his own by wall mounted ante wall ki attach chese brush untadi, he has to move his neck like this, and here you can action soap will be there and pumping soap is there. When he pressed with his neck upside, the soap will be fallen on him and everything will be blushed automatically. Okay, this type of techniques he'll use to do his daily activities. Okay, at the age of 10 Nick tried to drown himself in the bath, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. Okay, at the age of 10 what happened, he want to bath in the bathtub, it seems. Okay, the attempt was unsuccessful because he can't be he is not successed doing bath in the bathtub. Okay, I felt there was no purpose when you lacks purpose and strength. Okay, there is no need of there is no use if you don't have strength. The trying also is useless, isn't it or not? Yes, it is hard to hold on, he said. Okay, అక్కడ తనకి చాలా అదేంటి ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇట్ టేక్స్ చాలా హార్డ్ థింగ్ అయిపోయింది అంట. ఓకే, బట్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ రిలీజియన్, ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీ, ఓకే, నిక్ మేనేజ్ టు పుల్ త్రూ టు బికమ్ an international symbol of trump over adversity. Okay, what happened with the help of his religion means the religion's customs కానీ friends, family members helped him, okay, to become an international symbol, international, well known to everybody, encouraged everybody is appreciating his success. Okay, this is the end of your today's lesson, children. Tomorrow I'll continue the remaining lesson. Hope you understand. And here so many words are there in this lesson which you are unable to understand, I think so. If you are not able to understand, go and search in the dictionary, underline the hard words and try to write the meanings and frame sentences of your own. And whatever the paragraph you are reading here, read as a paragraph and understand it, write in your own words, try to write in your own words. And here are some questions they are asking. Answer the questions also. Why? Because they may ask in your exams in the same way. They will be asking like oral questions. Okay, again you go through this video. If you doesn't understand, tomorrow we will go through the remaining part. Thank you, children.